this thing will come inside whenever you unpack this seat. So you no need to remove it for any purpose. You can keep all the time inside. So like this, and you can also remove it. That's for the convenience. And so you will have a zip like this. And one more thing I was trying to show you. So this one, so you can basically use it over here or here, like opposite diagonal or this side. So this is wrong, I just kept it, but you can keep it like this. And then now, if you want to keep this inside, so it's very easy. You just need to keep it like this, and then you just need to keep it like this, and then push this. It will go inside. So, and it will go inside. If you want to release it, so you don't need to push very hard. You just push this little further, so, and press this little bit, so it will come out. So, and it is very easy to remove. Okay, so after that, if you want to fill in the air, right, so it's very easy. No need to struggle a lot. You will get pipe like this. Even if it is broken also, that's not a problem. You can keep all these parts like this, and then this will go here, right? So it will be looking like this. Even if it is broken, don't worry. So, and here, now there is no air, if you see. Just check. There is no air. So now what we do, you should not remove this to fill the air. I'm just showing you for the demo, because once you fill the air, you cannot keep it inside. So the reason is, I'm just showing the demo, so I'm keeping it completely out to show the demo only. Okay, so this is like completely free mode, so the air will come out through this. So if you fit like this, the air won't come. See, there is no air passing through this nozzle. So now to fill in the air, either you can use mouth and blow it, or else if you don't want to do it, there is no problem. So you don't remove it completely. Just 2 times you do this, and then push this little further. See, this is where it ends. Now you need to. This is where it ends. Now you need to push further, so that it will be like shield, so that no air come out from this side. After that, you keep this inside, and then now, and I was talking about this. So you need to keep it tight. That's okay. You don't need to don't do this. The reason is, if you do this, the air will come out. So you should make sure this is like tight, and then now you blow it. See, the air is filling so fast, and it's like a couple of minutes. It's hardly 10 to 15 times. If you do this, your air is filled in it completely. And you should not keep it like this. The reason is, it feels again hard. You cannot sit on this. So for the demo purpose, I'm filling it completely. I'm still blowing. It is still able to take the air inside, but you should not do it. And before you remove all this, I would recommend first, because there was we did anti-clockwise. Now make sure you fix it first, and then either remove this or remove along with this. If you want, you can keep it this one here itself for next time usage. So next time you just need to fill in this and then blow the air. So I'm able to now, I'm pressing here, but no air is going because I have to unloose this. So then the air will go inside. So make sure you tighten this and then remove this. Now if you want to release the air, right? So now this is so tight, and if you see, there is no cushion in it. You should not sit on this. So basically what I would recommend to do is, you should release the air as per your weight. So I'm removing the air. So this is what, okay. So even I can do this. It's not like completely came out, it seems. So now, yeah. So I think this fit exactly tight, so it's not coming up. You should release the air as per your weight. See, it should be comfortable. It is 80% of the air or 90% of the air is inside. You should not keep it even this much. So you should keep it like this. I believe as per your age, you should keep it like this. So when you sit on it, you should feel like floating. So, and make sure once you feel comfortable, and then fix this. Once you sit also, you can untie this and then like see what is your comfort level to have how much air should be inside. So I would say once you sit, it should not fully cross like this. It should be like this. It should not fully cross like this. It should be like this. So then you will feel that floating. You will feel very comfortable while driving. If you feel like this, then you should add air. If you feel like this also, it's like too much air inside. So you should release the air. Thanks for watching.